Bwe twatuukidde ku kyalo eya Tuyi mu ggombolola ya Kosil mu disitulikiti y'e Queen, abaayo twabasanze mu kukungubagira munnaabwe Kyekweli Moses ow'emyaka 3 ng'ono yafa ng'atwalibwa mu ddwaliro ku Katanda olw'amakubo amabi agali eno.
To be rushed to the hospital to any nearest health center which is very far, it is hard.
You don't have even where you can be given a first aid before you reach where you have to be taken.
We are
really suffering. There's even a neighbor here who passed on because if the health center would be there, would have saved that his life.
Amakubo gano gajjuddemu amayinja abaayo omulwadde bamusitulira ku Katanda ebbanga lya mayiro 7 okutuuka ku ddwaliro eriri okumpi erya Bennett Health Center. Abaakuno bagamba kirabika gavumenti yabeerabira.
Yeah, this person died because there was a delay of taking him hospital because there was no money to be taken to the hospital. Secondly is that the rods that we were using, we used just to carry him with a chair, which took us time, and the sickness was going high. That's why that man left us like that. Yeah, they have abandoned us like as if we are not Ugandans.
Bw'otunuulira ensi y'eno kyangu nnyo n'okulowooza nti bano si bannayuganda naye nga batutegeezezza nti gavumenti ya NRM bagirondesa maanyi naye tebamanyi lwaki beerabirwa nnyo bwe batyo.
Robert.
Hunger. He used to take milk. Doesn't even eat food. But she could stay. There's no water. So when you have come and help us. Look at me, the back side is just like with the front side. Sing about a health center for us. So that we could attend maternity could be helped very fast.
Abatuuze bano bagamba nti baali bafuna eddagala okuva ku lusozi lwa Elgon naye kati ekitongole ekikuuma ebisolo tekikyabakkirizaayo newankubadde nga be bannannyini ttaka ekintu ekyongedde omuwendo gw'abantu okufa.
They have lost their ancestral lands when the place was turned into a national park, wildlife protected area. Now these people, all their activities that they used to do, all have been abandoned due to lack of the materials to use, like the basket making, also medicinal herbs, trees. They have lost. The current place they are staying is not very favorable for them. That's why I find some of them even sneak to the forest and they are still staying there. There are so many Bennetts who are in the forest right now. But if they are caught, they are beaten up, they are arrested, they are taken to police and others also have served in prison.
Abakungubazi bano batutegeezezza nti Kyekweli si yasoose okufa mu ngeri eno wabula bangi ku bannaabwe bazze bafa naye nga tebalina muntu ayinza kubalwanirira kuba abaayo bonna abasinga teri yagenda mu ssomero kusobola kubakiikirira mu by'obufuzi.
We have lost many people. Like it was 2007 when we lost one person whom he went and drank some beer. When he was supposed to be assisted, it was too late, so we rushed carrying him with the bed. So reaching the way, he died because it was far from where he was.
Last year, there was a young girl who went for firewood and this girl was raped. And there was no implementation carried out by the government. And this one, we need the government to see the people.
That's where schools are very far. Our peoples do not afford to go to school.
Bano abalabise nga bannakuwavu ekitenkanika olw'embeera gye bayitamu bagamba baagala gavumenti wakiri nabo ebajjukire ebazimbire amalwaliro wamu n'amasomero. Mu ngeri y'emu abatuuze bano bagamba baagala gavumenti nabo ebakolere ku makubo basobole okutambuza ebyamaguzi byabwe.
Now we need government to give us to provide us with the health center. We need them to provide us with the roads and so many things.
Kyekweli ku myaka gye 34 afudde alese nnamwandu wamu n'abaana wabula nga ku ttaka gye bawangaalira tebakkirizibwa kuzimbawo mayumba mawangaazi era nga buli lukya basinza Katonda.
Within the 6,000 hectares. So some in the same year, around June, they resettled the people temporarily here. They were given here to stay. Meanwhile, government was looking somewhere to take them.
Kiza Peter yakusakidde eggulire lino Krake STV agaleero.